Dear students, you are going to enjoy online class. Today's subject is civics and chapter 1. Today we will learn about Indian Constitution. In this lesson we will discuss what is Constitution, making of the Indian Constitution, importance of the Constitution or need for the Constitution, features of Constitution, etc. Furthermore, we will discuss about Dowry Prohibition Act and anti-liquor agitation. Now at first we know what is Constitution. Constitution is a written set of rules and laws according to which a country is governed. Now, how the Constitution of our country was made. The Constitution of India was framed by the Constituent Assembly, which was established in 1946. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the President of the Constituent Assembly, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the Chairman of the Drafting Committee. The Constitution of India was enacted and adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days for the Constituent Assembly to finally frame and adopt the Constitution of Free India. The Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950, which is now celebrated as the Republic Day. Now, importance or need of the Constitution. The Constitution serves several purposes. It lays out certain ideals that form the basis of the kind of country that we as citizens aspire to live in. It tells us what the fundamental nature of our society is. It helps serve as a set of rules and principles. It forms the backbone of governance. Now its main features. Its main features are as follows. First, federalism. It means it refers to the existence of more than one level of the government in the country. Next, parliamentary form of government. Next, separation of powers, fundamental rights, and secularism. Now, Dowry Prohibition Act. Constitution lays down the provisions for eradication of social evils. The Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 made giving or accepting dowry a punishable offence. This act was further amended in 1986 to make it more stringent. Next topic, anti-liquor agitation. Most of the states of our country have passed laws making the use, manufacture and selling of liquor a punishable crime. For example, our state, Bihar. Students, do self-study and make question answers as far as possible. I have given some question answers in the image. You will write the question answers and learn. Thanks.